In this video, you will see how to assign interfaces in pfSense. Go to Interfaces, then click Assignments. Identify the MAC address of the network card you want to assign. If you have more than one available, you will see them in a drop-down menu. Select the MAC address you want to use, then click Add. Click on the interface to activate it and add other information. Click the box Enable Interface. Give a name to the interface. Now click Save. Click on Apply Changes. I hope this video was informative for you. Thanks for watching.